It's called logic, okay? And it's a different part of math. For some students, it is very interesting. For some of them, it's very boring. But it's a different kind of math, okay? And it's important for computer sciences. As you see here, it's written, as I said one more time, I'm repeating, there is no a book for this. I mean, we are not giving a book to you for this. Because of that, you have to take the notes. And as you see here, it says that to study logic is to study the language of math, okay? This part is the language of math. And here I will give some like definitions, okay? To understand them after this, what we'll study to understand what does mean term and undefined term. You know them by as a word meaning. As you see here, it's written just like the word logic, some words have different meaning in different signs. A word which has a special meaning in a branch of science, apart from its everyday meaning, it's called a term, okay? And for example, each of the words acceleration, point, sand, climate is a term. Acceleration is about physics, yes? Sand,
Yes.
in climate. So this kind of words that has a special meaning in a science, it's called term, okay? For instance, false is something which is not true, and true is something which is not false. Such a word is called undefined term. So these are undefined terms. We have terms and we have undefined terms. Now I will continue. The first thing in logic that we'll study is prepositions. In English, what does it mean, preposition? Do you know? Preposition. What does it mean, preposition? Guys?
Yes, teacher, I know, but I don't know how to explain.
So you know the word meaning of preposition?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so here in math, in logic, we'll study about prepositions. Here, the definition of a preposition is an expression that contains an assertion which is definitely either true or false. So if we can say for a sentence or for a given information that is exactly true or false, we'll call them prepositions, okay? And here we have some letters that will show the prepositions like P, Q, R, S, and so forth, okay? Now here we have some examples. It says, examine whether the following, each sentence is a preposition or not. If not, tell why. Dogs have 6 legs. It's a preposition or not? What do you think?
No. No.
Why not?
Well, teacher, dogs don't have 6 legs.
They have 4 legs.
Yeah.
So it is.
So can we say for this sentence exactly it is a preposition?
I think no.
Look, what is preposition?
I think yes, teacher, because the preposition is either right or wrong.
Yes. So we can say here exactly that this is a wrong sentence. Yes, it's false. Dogs doesn't have 6 legs. They have 4 legs. So because this one is a false sentence, one is a preposition, okay? Did we understand?
Yes.
If it is false, it is preposition.
If we can say it is true or false, it is preposition. What we said here, an expression.
Okay.
Okay.
An expression that contains an assertion that which is definitely either true or false. Definitely, but okay. So this
If it's not true,
preposition.
we have to.
Like who is that is.
Yes, teacher.
What?
Yeah. So the second one, the rectangle is negative. Can we?
It's not preposition.
It's not
It is.
preposition. Why? because there's no any meaning. We cannot talk about negative
Yes.
or positivity for,
Yeah.
or for a
Yeah.
rectangle. So we cannot say this is exactly true or false. So the second one is not a proposition. Okay.
The third one is preposition.
Is the
Third
Yes.
one?
Also the
True.
fourth one.
Because we can say either it's true or false.
Yes. Third one is a true proposition. Proposition, I will write here. Proposition.
Also the fourth one is a false proposition.
Yeah.
Fourth one
It's
is
not
a
a
false.
preposition.
It is proposition, but it is a false.
It's proposition, but it's false.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Fourth one.
Teacher, is it 4.5 or it is?
4 times
Four.
5. It's like 4
Uh-huh,
times
okay.
5. Not a proposition. Oh, sorry, not a proposition. It is a proposition, but it's false proposition. Sorry. What about fifth one? Come here.
It's not a proposition.
Not.
No.
It's not a proposition because, I mean, come here to say come here, it's not, you cannot check if it is true or false, yes? So fifth one, it's not. What about sixth one?
Same, it's not.
No,
It's not, it is a question, it's not a
And
proposition.
the seventh one is not proposition.
The seventh one is
Yeah.
not.
The eighth one is it is proposition.
Yes,
Eighth
it
one,
is.
it is a proposition. Okay. So did we understand?
Yes, true.
Yes.
So fifth one, let me write here. Fifth one, sixth one, and seventh one are not. Eighth one
Is.
is a
Yes.
proposition. Okay. And here we have another definition. It is another type of sentence, which is not a proposition, is the one that conflicts with its writing. For instance, the sentences that are written in capital letters are false, but the sentence is written with the capital letters. So this one is a kind of paradox. We know paradox?
No.
Paradox. You are saying
Yes.
something while you are saying that one. Look, it conflicts with its writing. Here in the sentence, you are saying that the sentences that are written in capital letters are false, but you are writing with the capital letters. Okay? Did you understand what I mean?
No, teacher.
Paradox. You haven't heard about the word paradox?
We have heard, but we never.
While you are saying the thing, how to explain it? For example, another example, if anyone else has another example about paradox, can help me while I'm thinking. So here, Salman, I will go from this sentence. What you are understanding from the sentence?
Teacher, it's contradictory basically.
Yeah, contradiction.
One part of the paradox contradicts the other part. Например, nice. For example, wait, huge
Yes.
ant, I guess. Yeah, huge ant. Or yeah,
Yeah.
an ant can be huge. An ant is
Uh-huh.
small.
Yeah, an ant can be huge. For example, is another sentence. Paradox. While you are saying that one, while you are saying it is like opposite to your saying. While you are saying by yourself for something, you are making it opposite again by yourself. It's like paradox, you know, as you see here, we are writing the sentence with the capital letters, but in the sentence, we are saying that the sentence is written with capital letters.
Okay, now yes. Now
Okay,
I-
this is the
Negative.
paradox. Okay,
Okay.
can I continue to the next one?
Yes.
Now here in the logic, in the lesson of logic, we'll talk about the truth values of propositions. If we understood what does mean proposition, now we'll have truth values of propositions. So what does mean truth value of proposition? the truth and falsity of a proposition is named as its truth value. If it is true or false, that is its truth value, okay?
Okay.
We will show the truth values with 1 and 0, okay? 1 is for true, 0 is for false, okay? 1 is true and 0 is false, okay? And here, if we will have one proposition in our hand, we have two possible cases. It can be true or false, as you can see here. One proposition we have, P, and has two possible cases. It can be true or false. You can show in this way, or we can show with a table. We have P proposition and it can be true or false, okay? If we have two propositions, we will have 4 possible cases. What will be? In the first proposition, we have 2 cases, yes? It can be false or true or false. And for the second one, we'll take, if the first one is true, for the second one, again, we have 2 possible cases. And if the first one is false, again, we'll have 2 possible cases. At the end, as you can see, how many possible cases we'll have? 4 possible cases,
4.
both of them true. First one true, second one false. First one false, second one true, or both of them false. So if we have 2 propositions, we'll have 4 possible cases, okay? And if we have 3 propositions, we'll have 8 possible cases, and it's written here. So if we'll continue like this, we'll find that for n propositions, there are 2 to the power of n possible cases. And this one is an important part, because we need to know how we are writing the tables here, the truth values. Why? Because we'll solve the questions with these tables, okay? And arranging them, it's very important, guys. For example, as you can see, it's written here. For example, in 3 propositions. First proposition, we are writing 4 possibilities of true and 4 false. Then, as you see, 2 truths, 2 falses. 2 truths, 2 false. In the third one, 1 true, 1 false. It goes like this. You need to know this arrangement, okay? Not to have, you can have different arrangements, but you need to be careful to have all the possible cases. For example, all of them true. First 2 true, third one false. Then true, false, true. It goes like that. But this arrangement, as you can see, to start with the first one, firstly write 4, because I have 8 cases, it will be 4 truths, 4 falses. The second one, 2 truths, 2 falses, and the third one, 1 true, 1 false. Yes, did you understand what I mean?
Yes, but teacher, what does Q
Yeah,
and R
Q
mean?
and R.
P,
Why?
Q, R are the prepositions. What we said, 3 prepositions if we have. P, Q, R. Prepositions, any preposition.
We denote them with letters.
Yes, yes. In the first definition, I said here, look, prepositions shown by the letters P, Q, R, S. Like in the algebra, unknowns we are showing by X, Y, Z. Here in logic, we'll use P, Q, R, S, okay, for prepositions.
Okay.
And we'll
Okay.
work in all of them, we'll work with the prepositions, okay?
Okay.
For example,
Teacher,
Yes?
can you go back on the first
Yes.
page?
Yes. So if I will have 4 prepositions, how many possible cases I will have?
16?
Yes, 16.
Yes.
Now let's see how we'll write the table for 4 propositions.
It's
Teacher,
okay.
they are going like 2, 4, 8, 16, and like this.
One more time, Giovanna.
Possible cases go
Yes.
like first with 2, then about 2 proper prepositions, they are 4, and for
Yes.
3 is 4, for 4 16.
Yes, yes, yes. It goes
Okay.
like that. Yes, yes. Now, if we have 4 prepositions, let's say they are P, Q, R, and S. I have 16 possible cases. I will try to write like here. 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 10,
10, 11, 12, 13,
13,
14, 15, and 16. Okay. Now, how I will write the possible truth values for the P?
Teacher, can I say for the P?
Yes.
Teacher, we will divide it in 2, which will be
Yes.
8 ones and
Yes.
8
1,
zeros.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. What about Q here? What it will be? How many ones, how many fours, zeros, how I will write?
Teacher, 2 ones, 2 zeros. 2 ones, 2
No,
zeros.
no.
4 ones, 4 zeros.
4 ones, 4 zeros. 1, 1,
Why, teacher?
1, because here I have 8 ones and the half of it here in the second one.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, again 4 zeros, again 4 ones and 4 zeros. In the third one now,
By 2.
yes, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, and the fourth one,
By 1.
1, 0, 1,
yes,
0.
1, 0, 1, 0. If you will write in, if you will write in this way, it's not the only way, guys. Okay.
Teacher,
If you will write in this way, you will have less mistakes. You will
Teacher?
not miss any possible case. Yes.
Can you explain it one more time?
Okay. Now, as we said from the beginning, if we have one preposition, we have 2 cases. Did we understand this one?
Yes.
One preposition, 2 cases. What does mean 2 cases? One preposition can be either true or false. Yes? If we have 2 prepositions, we'll have 4 cases. And here are the possible cases written in a table. Both of them true. First one true, second one false. First one false, second one true. And both of them false. And if we have 3 prepositions, as you can see here, P, Q, R, we'll have 8 possible cases. And all the possible cases is written in this way here. In the first proposition, we have 8 cases. I'm dividing to 2, so I am writing 4 ones, 4 zeros. And for the second proposition, the half of it, 2 ones, 2 zeros. And in the third proposition, half of it, 1 1, 1 0. Here, I wanted to show you if we have 4 prepositions, how many possible cases we'll have. 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. So we'll have 16 possible cases. Because of that, I'm writing here 16 places I wrote. So first proposition, I will write half of the 16 is 8. 8 ones, 8 zeros. Then for the second proposition, half of it is 4 ones, 4 zeros. It goes like that. Again, 4 ones, 4 zeros. For the third proposition, half of it, 2 ones, 2 zeros. And for the fourth one, 1 1, 1 0. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Yona?
Yes, teacher. It's clear now.
Okay, now let's see how we'll use these truth values. Where we'll use and how we'll use these tables. And here we have one more property about prepositions, equivalent preposition. If the truth values of any two prepositions, P and Q, are the same, they are called equivalent prepositions, denoted by, as you can see, it's not like equal, but with 3 lines, okay? P is equivalent of Q. If P is true, so Q has to be true. If P is false, so Q has to be false, okay? The truth values are same. Now here we have some prepositions given, and we need to check if they are equivalent or not. First proposition, the biggest city in Turkey is Ankara. But you don't know let's change.
Yes.
Let's change this proposition. Let's write something else.
Biggest city in Macedonia is Skopje.
Okay. Or let's change, like, the biggest city in Macedonia is Gospić,
Is Skopje.
to make it. Or Vrapčište. Also, I can write Vrapčište, guys. Don't.
Vrútok,
Or
Vrapčište
the
is
biggest
the biggest
country in the world.
country in Macedonia.
Vrútok
Yeah,
is
so-
the biggest country in Macedonia.
Yeah.
sorry, Vrapčište is the country. Okay, if your preposition is like this, the biggest city in Macedonia is Gostivar, this one will be true or false?
False.
False. The truth
Not
value,
equal.
the truth value
Is
of P
Skopje.
will be 0. Okay. A quadrilateral has 4 sides. It's true or false?
I think true.
True. So the truth value of Q will be 1. 1 plus 5 is equal to 7.
It's false.
It's
False.
false. 0. The area of a triangle is the half of the product of a side and the altitude that belongs to that side. It's
True.
false. It's true.
False.
It's true.
Will be 1.
1. So which ones are equivalent?
P and R.
P and
Q
R.
and S. Yes.
And Q are S.
And Q and S are equivalent. Did we understand?
Yes.
Yes. If it is false, it is equivalent with the false one. If it is true,
Yes.
it is equivalent.
So the truth values are same. Okay. I'm continuing to the next one. Oh, by the way, I didn't take the attendance. Sorry. Yeah. If you're writing, I can wait, or I can open the next slide to show you. And while
Yes, teacher, wait a little bit.
Teacher,
Okay.
when you gonna upload the video?
I will upload this night.
Okay.
Okay.
Yusuf is here. Yusuf,
Yes, teacher.
yes, Yusuf. Anita,
Yeah.
Alexander,
I'm here.
Eva,
I'm here, teacher.
Elza,
Here.
Amra,
I'm here, teacher.
okay, Yona,
Here.
Stephanie,
Here.
Fatih,
Here.
Fariye,
Here.
Inga,
I'm here.
Ardita,
I am here.
Arta,
I'm here.
Giovanna,
Here.
Besa, Stanislav, Salman,
I'm here, teacher.
Rumeysa,
I'm here.
Sara,
I'm here.
Ermal,
I'm here.
Hamza.
Here.
Haydi be Hamza. Vesan?
Here.
Here, okay. Only Vesa is not here, or I couldn't hear her voice. Vesa is not here. Right?
No, she's not here.
Okay, now, if you're ready, let's see what we have on next page. Negation.
Wait, teacher, can you go back?
Okay, okay. Negation. Did we understand the prepositions and the truth values? What does it mean?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Yes.
You can continue, teacher. I think.
Okay. Oops. Now here we have negation of a preposition. What does mean negation?
I don't know.
Stating that something is false, teacher.
Yes.
Or to make the opposite of it, to make the, like, you can remember from negativity, okay, negation. So if your preposition is true, the negation of that preposition will be false. If it is false, the negation of it will be true, okay? So for example, in some symbols, if you have equal, the negation of it is not equal. If you have greater than, the negation of it is less than, okay?
Yes.
If you have element of something, the negation of it is not element of something, okay? So here we have the negation of negation will be itself, okay? For example, you have P, it's true. The negation of P prime, we can say P prime will be 0. So the prime of P prime will be P again, 1, okay? Did we understand?
Yes.
Yes.
So here in the example, find the negation of the following each preposition. Tomorrow is Friday.
True, because the negation of preposition.
Tomorrow
Will
isn't
be the negation.
Yesterday it
It's
was Wednesday.
true.
Tomorrow is not
isn't Friday.
Friday. This one is the negation of Q. In the second one, we
Metin plays football.
Metin does not play football, so the negation of it will be Metin
Plays football.
plays football.
The third one will be 4 plus 5 isn't equal to 9.
The third one will be 4 plus 5 is not equal to 9. And the fourth one,
2 plus 3 is greater.
Less than.
this is
No,
less.
bigger than 4.
So
Bigger
it
than
will
4.
be bigger than or equal to, look, it goes like that. If it is greater than, the negation of it will be less than or equal to. If it is greater than or equal to, the negation will be only less than. So here we have less than. The negation of it will be greater than or equal to 4. It's okay? Did we understand?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now here we are finishing the lesson, this lesson, then we'll see each other in the next lesson. Okay,
Bye. See you.
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.
bye.
Bye.